What if a volcano could build a brand new island from the ocean floor? It happens more often than you think. When magma rises from cracks in the Earth's crust, it meets seawater, exploding into steam and ash. Over time, layer after layer of cooled lava builds up, slowly breaking the ocean's surface. That's how islands like Hawaii, Iceland, and the Tonga archipelago were born. At first, the new land is just black rock, but within years, plants take root and life moves in. Volcanic islands even create new ecosystems and change ocean currents around them. Every eruption reshapes our planet, showing that Earth is still alive and growing. From destruction comes creation. That's the power of volcanoes. Follow for more 60-second geography.